Good morning. Good morning. Grumpy guys. You're the grumpy guys. Are you a grumpy guys? Yeah, it's time to wake up. You've been sleeping for 3.5 hours. It's time to get up and play. And then we can eat and then you can nap again.
But it doesn't mean we have to overpay. That's why we always order from 1-800-PET-MEDS. We get the same exact brand name meds as the vet, and shipping is fast and free.
And now, protect your pets and save an additional 10%
Wake
on
up.
Why pay more? Get everything you need at 1-800-PET-MEDS.
You're gonna be just like me and your dad. Give me some time before you start talking to me. Give me some time to wake up.
Andrew and Virginia have
What are you looking at?
and back again.
There was something about Montpellier that we really loved immediately, but family's just so far away.
The Sydney
What
they
are you looking at,
left 7
Kate?
years ago has since undergone a property renaissance, offering less space at a higher price. With little time to waste, they'll need to snatch up a property before it gets away. Bang on budget at $2,000 a month, House 1 is in the ideal location for school and work.
All right.